Good morning.
Time to get up. These glasses, jacket, and sweats, baby girl, that's a get up.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna talk about some scents that I've been buying lately, brand that I've been buying lately, because they have some really good scents, and I just want y'all to get into it and get to experience the greatness for yourself. But anywho, yeah, I'm just gonna go through some new ones that I bought, and I have some that I bought like some months ago, but it's like I can say. So make sure you like, subscribe, comment, and tap the notification bell so you can know when I upload a video and all that jazz. So the brand that I'm gonna get into is Gourmand. I brought this, well, it's a Monde Gourmand, but I just say Gourmand. Some people do just say Gourmand. I found this brand in Urban Outfitters like earlier this year, maybe. I think it was earlier this year. And I just started buying them, y'all, because they smell so good. I was in there smelling them, and I'm like, okay, I'm gonna have to get me some of these. So I bought their discovery kit, and I really like them, and I finally bought a few in the regular size bottles, and it's another one that I bought for my mom for her birthday or whatever, and she really liked that too. So I'm definitely gonna keep these in rotation. All right, so the first thing I'm gonna get into is their 000 or 000. There it is. Okay, so this scent to me, it's a good fresh scent. If you want to like do like a regular smuggler white t-shirt day, this is your girl when it comes to, if you want a good scent for that. And I blindly bought this one. I just totally went off the scent notes because this one is not in the discovery kit, so I really took a chance on this one and I really liked it. So I'm just gonna get into some of the scent notes for this so you'll know, so when you buy it you can kind of figure out, what you like and what you don't. Once you figure out what goes with your body chemistry, it makes it easier to like kind of blindly buy things. Okay, so like I said, this is a floral scent. So it has water lily. I can't count on one else. It has bergamot, water lily, sandalwood, and I think that's it. Yeah, and it is a floral scent. So if you like floral scents, I would highly suggest this. Me personally, I'm usually not even a fan of floral scents, but I bought this one because it had the sandalwood on it, and I know sandalwood usually does really well with my body. It lasts a long time on me, and I love floral scents that has some type of woodiness in it. So that's why I went ahead and got this one, because I just knew with that sandalwood I was gonna be straight, and I was right, because I wore it like last week, I believe, and I really did like it. It smells so good, and I was able to smell it on my clothes even when I got back home, so it did last. F is a body mist, where it's a hair and body mist. I only use it on my body. I have not used it on my hair, and I don't really plan on doing that. This is more of a fruity type of situation, but they have it listed as an amber scent. More than likely because I'm guessing because of the color. It does have a amber color. This is the Papaya Tropique. It smells really good. It's just simply a body mist, honestly. It goes well if you put it with something else. Like you might have another perfume that's very fruity and tropical and all that stuff. I would suggest adding this with it because it does match up well with other fruity things. I think what I'm gonna put this with, I have a perfume called Bubbly Brunch, and I bought it from Francesca's, and it smells so fruity and tropical and stuff. And those scents, I'm starting to get back into them slowly, but it just depends on what it is. Because I haven't worn like fruity scents in a while. This is probably the first one I bought in a while, but I really like it. And the scent notes are pineapple, mandarin, papaya, sandalwood, and violet. So again, another reason I bought it is because it had the sandalwood in it, and I know when it got that, like I said earlier, I'm straight. But I would suggest it. It's a good body mist. Like, I like the smell. It was good. It wasn't too fruity until it's irritating. So yeah. This next scent is my favorite. I love it because these type of scents just go so well with me. Like, they just do. But this is the Pistachio Brulee. It has a little, almost like a little green color almost, but y'all, I love it. It's my favorite one. And I just knew I had to get, once I smelled it in the Discovery set, I knew, well, they call it their Voyage set. Once I smelled it there, I just knew I had to get it in the full bottle, and this is one of them scents I'm gonna keep in rotation. The scent notes are amber, milk, vanilla mousse, pistachio, and vanilla beans. So listen, my body loves vanilla scents and woody scents, but especially like the vanillas and the creamy scents. And what else I had in there? Yeah, the milk vanilla mousse, like milky scents, vanilla scents. My body loves them. They last on me for a very long time, and I usually get some pretty good compliments. But I wore my pistachio brulee with my Rose Butter by Brooklyn Body Butter. Yeah, I got a lot of compliments that day on that too. Smells so good. So this pistachio brulee goes really good with, I'm not gonna say any vanilla scent, but it do go well with vanilla scents. Like it's your mix bar at Target, they have that vanilla bourbon, and the pistachio brulee goes good with that as well. I tried that scent combo. It lasted, did it last all day? I think it lasted pretty much almost all day. But y'all, that's probably my favorite scent in the whole entire, out of all the ones I tried. But they do have a couple more scents that I'm going to try as well. Like on their website, I saw like a chocolate rose one, but I think I saw that on Urban Outfitters. Can't remember if I saw it on the actual Gourmand website, but yeah, I'm about to like slightly touch on the Voyage kit. So if you're interested in it, I would definitely suggest buying it if you want to jump into the Gourmand scents. The Voyage set actually has another it's for a really good value. I would definitely, because look how much you get. Like, I would definitely suggest buying this if you want to at least try out their scents, because you get so much, and you can try just about all of them, almost all of them. I think these are like maybe their classic scents, but I know this is a majority of what you're gonna, it gives you a good variety, so you can figure out if you like them a lot. Like those, okay, like these are like their original scents, and these are like their creamy scents. And what I like about these is they have it, they have on the side what type of scent it is, like the Gourmand, that's the pistachio brulee, my favorite, y'all. The macaron rosé, it's straight. I could go without it. It's a floral scent. This is the citron glaze. It is a citrus scent. This is the that matcha scent. It's a very green scent. I like that one, but I haven't quite found anything that I really want to put with it yet. So just, yeah, bear with me when it comes to that one. And this is the cocoa scent. It is the latte cocoa. It's a good creamy scent. If you like milky scent, creamy scents, I would suggest this one. Okay, I'm about to talk about these creamy scents. Okay, the Creme de la Creme collection. Okay, so this one's a little free. Oh, this is the acai one. I like that one. I might try putting it with that. Let me see. I might try putting it with the papaya body. I'm gonna see. Because I don't have on anything right now, so I'll be able to tell what they go good together or not. Can I layer those or not? We finna see. I'm gonna let it. I can tell you now, I don't know. Ooh. That acai scent almost remind me of the Paraglaze from way back when. I promise you it remind me of Paraglaze just a little bit, but it's just dried a little bit, so now I'm about to add the Papaya Tropique. Let's see. Hope I put enough. I think that's enough. We finna see. They smell good together. I might let it dry down a little bit more before I make a final conclusion, because we about to see right now on camera. Since they're both like fruity, tropical type of scents, I'm about to see y'all. Okay, even when it dry down, wow, okay, they do smell good. So the Papaya Tropique goes well, layers really well with the acai. Is that bai? I'm gonna say bai, but the acai one. All right, and the next one I'm gonna talk about is I put it in backwards, and I know because I know my scent. Okay, I love the little labels on it because it really helps you keep everything together. Okay, the next scent is the spicy one, and that's the chai spice. I love that one so much. Like, when fall comes, I even wear it during the summer. I've worn it a couple times. But what I'm gonna do, I think I'm gonna go ahead and get a full bottle of this chai spice. Well, it said it's spice. I still think it's spice. Chai spice. According to their website, it's like apparently going viral on TikTok or something, but here it is. I have it. I've been having it for a while now. And I like it. I try not to use too much because I ain't gonna run out. But I really do like it, and I do have a lot more other stuff I can wear, so I don't have to wear it like every day or anything. But I really do like that one. So that's probably the next one I'm gonna get in a full bottle. Alright, I have a vanilla scent, the creamy vanilla. Now this one I've worn with the K Alley vanilla scent. Yup, this is the one I wore. I wore this one with the K Alley vanilla scent, and they went pretty good together. That's the creamy vanilla. This is this Miel Baby. It is a floral scent. This is the one I got my mama for her birthday. She really liked it. Ooh, I might have to get this for myself. I'm gonna have to look at the scent notes though. See, I'm starting to like it even more because you can tell I barely use it. It's still pretty much full. I barely use it. Okay, I'm starting to like it even more now. I might have to get that for myself. And this is another one that I like. It is a woody scent. This is the Santal Supreme. I don't know y'all, but I love Santal. Like, the scent, I like it as like a diffuser, candle, and even as a body spray. Like, I love this Santal scent. This, like, if you going somewhere and you just run an errand, t-shirt on, this scent right here, this is my running errand scent. That's where I go, because I run a lot of errands. But this is definitely my running errands type scent. And I love it so much, y'all. I love it. And yeah, if y'all want me to do like a full video going into the details, such as like the scent notes of all the of the Voyage set, just let me know. I can do that. That would definitely have to be a separate video because the box that I had that had all the scent notes on it, I don't have it anymore, so I'll have to look all of them up individually and write it down and stuff before I can actually record a full video. So yeah. Alright y'all, so that's it. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment, tap the notification bell so you know every time your girl Dark Hair Maverick uploads a new video. And if you have any questions, please just let me know. Type it down below, hit me up on social media, however you want me to do it. And if you have any perfume suggestions or voyage kits or discovery kits that you want me to try out, just let me know because I'm definitely open to it. So yeah.